The NBN network is coming to your home. By now, you'll have arranged to move to an NBN-powered plan with a phone and internet provider. Your provider will let you know whether or not an appointment is required for your NBN fibre to the building connection. If it is, they'll organise a time convenient to you. You may also receive a call or text from NBN a few days before to make sure everything is all set for your appointment. Please note that someone over 18 must be present on the day to make decisions and will be responsible for your appointment. It's likely that during the appointment, your NBN technician will need to come inside your home for additional work or testing. They may need to drill a hole in your wall, so if you are renting your home, make sure you have your landlord or property manager's permission. Overall, the appointment could take up to 2 hours, though more complex work could take longer. Once your provider has confirmed that your NBN connection is active, you can install the remaining equipment yourself. In most cases, your provider will supply you with a setup guide to help walk you through the installation. They will usually also provide the modem and cables you'll need to connect it to your telephone wall socket. To help improve your internet performance, we also recommend you remove any devices, such as ADSL filters, as these may block or limit your connection. Generally, it's best to have your Wi-Fi modem in a central location to maximise your Wi-Fi coverage. Make sure it's off the floor and not stored inside a cupboard, next to thick walls, or behind furniture or electronics like your TV. You can then plug your NBN-compatible phone directly into your Wi-Fi modem, as well as gaming consoles, pay TV set-top boxes, and streaming devices. This should help you get more from your internet experience. For more tips, go to nbn.com.au/optimisation. You're now officially connected to the internet. It's important to remember that if you need any support with your NBN installation or service, you should contact your phone and internet provider. They'll be able to help. Now you should know everything you need to connect to the internet over the NBN network.